And here's the question: can you complete the square? Can you work out what these square numbers are? So just taking this basic unit and sticking it to the sides of the cube, out by 90 degrees every time you go across an edge, gives me the edge network of a dodecahedron. David, what do you think about this problem?
This reminds me of a horror movie that I was watching.
Oh yes, okay.
So we've got a trick here. We said p plus q equals 1. So I'm going to replace this 1 in front of the lambda, that coefficient, by p plus q. And the reason I do that is we can then factorise our quadratic. So it saves us a bit of algebra.
So, and then it factorises really nicely like this. I love this. I think it's a style point.